Deborah Kay Frecklington is an Australian politician who is the member of the Legislative Assembly of Queensland for Nanango, having won the seat at the 2012 state election. She is leader of the Liberal National Party of Queensland and leader of the Queensland Opposition. Frecklington was born in Miles in southwest Queensland. She grew up on a cattle property at Goolyaguba and attended Goolyaguba State School. For her secondary schooling, she was a boarder at Ipswich Girls Grammar School. Frecklington has a Bachelor of Business and a Bachelor of Law. She has worked in the clothing, motor vehicle and newspaper industries. Her career takes in the co-management of broadacre cropping properties with her husband. During her time as a lawyer, she worked for Kelly and Frecklington Solicitors, specializing in family and property law. Frecklington was appointed Assistant Minister for Finance, Administration, and Regulatory Reform on 3 April 2012 and subsequently appointed to the role of Assistant Minister to the Premier in June 2014. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.